Good morning, everyone. My name is Tairu Wada, and you are welcome to Learning and Earning series with Tairu Boost IQ. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Welcome to part 5 for multiplication tricks. And today we are going to multiply 3 digits by 3 digits, which is 343 multiplied by 231. Solution: 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 1. First of all, we are going to use this one to multiply the upper numbers. 1 times 3, 3. 1 times 4 is 4. And 1 times 3 is 3. Then the next one, we are going to pick this 3, the same thing to multiply the upper number. 2. 3 times 3 will give us 9. 3 times 4 is 12. Write down to carry 1. Then 3 times 3 is 9, plus that one will give us 10. That's why we have 10 here. Then we now pick this 6 also and use it to multiply the upper numbers, which is going to give us 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 4 will give us 8, and 2 times 3 will give us 6. So the next thing, we are going to put our plus here. First of all, we are going to drop this 3. Since there is no any number to add it, we drop our 3. Then the next one, we now say 4 plus 9 will give us what? 13. We write down 3, carry 1. Then we now have what? 1 plus 3 will give us 4. 4 plus 2 will give us 6. And please, 6 plus 6 will give us 12. So we write down 2, carry 1. We add that 1 to 0. 1 plus 0 is what? 1. And 1 plus 8 will give us 9. Then 1 plus 6 will give us 7. Now let's look at the trick part. Here we have 3. So the first line we are going to draw is 3. 1, 2, 3. Then the next number is 4. So at the middle, we are going to have 4 lines, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. While the last number here is 3. So we are going to write 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Here, the next number here is 2. So we multiply 2. So we are going to cross 2 lines first. 1, then 2. Then the following number is 3. We are going to have 3 lines at the middle. 1, 2, 3. While the last one is 1, then we now have 1 line. So we are going to start our answer from this side. We are going to count this side where the point, which is 1, 2, 3. So we write down our 3. Now for us to get this one, we're going to count this one and add it to this side. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus 10, 11, 12, 13. So we are going to write down 3, carry 1. So this side, we're going to count this one, add it to this one, and add it to this one too. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So we are going to write down 2, carry 2. So the next one, now we're going to count this one and add it to this side, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, plus that to 18, 19. So we are going to write down 9, carry 1. That one will put it here. Then we'll count the remaining bars here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 1, 7. You can see the answer is still what? 79,233. 79,233. This is how to use a multiplication tricks of what? 3 digits multiplied by what? 3 digits. Thank you for your time. We pray that we learn from these multiplication tricks.